How to make Twitter account public. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make Twitter account public. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Twitter app is up to date. So if your Twitter app is still not updated, then go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Twitter and then click on the update button whenever it is available. Assuming now that you have updated your Twitter app, you may now open it. And on the latest update of the Twitter, there are slight changes. So go ahead first on your profile found on the upper left corner. So click on it, scroll down and look for settings and privacy, and then go to privacy and safety. So on the older version of Twitter, you may be able to see the option right here which says protected tweets. But on the updated version, you may not be able to see it. So now you are wondering where you can see it. So you can just see it under the audience and tagging option. So go ahead on audience and tagging and turn off the protect your tweets option. So make sure to click on the toggle button on the rightmost part of protect your tweets. So make sure then that the toggle button will turn into gray and not green. So by this, you may now make your account public and all of your tweets will be available on public. So you go back to your home, go and click on your profile once again, and then you may not be able to see that lock button right here, which indicates that your account now is on public. So that's it. That's how you can make your Twitter account public.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.